Welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and paint the alphabet letters. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Red color, orange color, light blue color, pink color, yellow color, purple color, dark green color, black color, brown color, light green color. Amazing kids! Now let's draw and paint alphabet letters. Are you ready? Now let's get started together. This is letter A. We will draw letter A. Left slant down, right slant down, horizontal bar in the middle. This is letter A. Kids, this is letter A. Now let's draw letter B. Draw letter B. First we will draw vertical line. Then two round palms, top and bottom. This is our letter B. Kids, this is our letter B. Now let's draw letter C. Draw big curve like a crescent. This is our letter C. Well done, kids. This is our capital letter A. This is capital letter B. This is capital letter C. Well done, kids. Our capital letter A, B, C drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. Letter A is light blue. Kids, letter A is light blue. Well done, kids. Kids, letter B is violet color. This is violet color. Letter B is violet. Amazing, kids! Letter C is brown. Kids, letter C is brown. This is brown color. Well done, kids. Well done, kids. You drew and painted the letters A, B, C. Which letter was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing. Keep learning, keep drawing, keep smiling.